Let's have a look at something called the eraser or the erase tool. Specifically, very helpful if you are using a stylus and maybe you're drawing or something along those lines and you don't want to delete the whole thing, but you just want to erase parts of it. There are several different types of the eraser, and quite often they are looked over a little bit. We're just going to have a look at three of them here today. So if we come up here to draw, and then we're looking at this eraser, which should be the first one that you see on the left hand side. You can just click on it once, and most people think that's great. I've got the eraser, in which you would, but you can click on it again, and we can see that we have these options here. They we're going to leave it here on this stroke erase, but if we're not using a stylus, we will need to come over here and click on the mouse or touch with screen. Once we've done that, you'll see the little eraser icon come up. If you're using a stylus, you won't see that. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to basically wipe over the top of it. And what you'll notice is that actually completely removed the entire drawing or the item that was there. Let's have a look at the next one. If I come down and go small, and then as you can see, it's changed a little bit. So now if I move with my finger and I'm just going to kind of go up and down and maybe over to the sides, that it just erases very small parts at each time. And let's go at the one more here. We won't do the large because we get the idea. Is that then we can see that it's a little bit wider this time. So if I kind of go up and down and to the sides, we can see how it erases more. So I want you to have a go at those three. If you really want to, you can also have a go at doing the larger one. It will just remove more space.